So you'll be searching through the internet for the necessary documents you need to register for a civil wedding in Nigeria. This is the perfect video for you. I mean, this is the perfect video for you, right? We're going to share everything you need to know, from the documents to the types of marriages, which one you should apply for, and all the details you need to know about civil wedding. So sit down, relax, and let's get into the video. Welcome to Wedding Padi channel. In today's video, we're going to share with you the documents you need for your court wedding or your civil wedding. So whether it's an ordinary marriage or a special marriage, we're going to share every single document you need. So before we get right into the video, in case you see me for the first time, this is Wedding Padi channel. On this channel, we talk about everything weddings, from wedding planning tips to wedding planning hacks to budgeting and all that you need to know about your wedding processing. This is that channel for you. Now, before we get into the documents, you need to know that there are two types of marriages when registering for civil wedding in Nigeria. We have the ordinary marriage and we have the special marriage. Oftentimes, when people hear special marriage, they think, oh, does it mean that those ones are special while we are ordinary? No, that's not the case. Actually, there's something that makes the ordinary marriage ordinary, and there's something that makes the special marriage special. Let me explain that. The ordinary marriage is for marriage between a Nigerian and a Nigerian. It means a Nigerian by birth, a citizen of Nigeria, right, marrying another citizen of Nigeria. You register for an ordinary marriage. However, a special marriage is a marriage between a Nigerian and a non-Nigerian. This is when a Nigerian citizen is marrying a non-Nigerian citizen. Do you get it now? Maybe a Ghanaian, an American, or any part of the world. So far, the person is not a Nigerian citizen. It is called special marriage. Now, why did I say that? There are a little bit of twists to registering for both types of marriage, right? So you need to know which one you are registering for. You need to know which one you're registering for. Also, the prices of both marriages differ, and also some other things about both marriages. That's the first thing you need to be certain about. Now, let's get into the documents you need. First of all, for ordinary marriage, if you're going for an ordinary marriage, you are sure that you and your partner are both Nigerian citizens. The first thing you need is a valid means of identification. This can be your national ID card, your NIN. It could be your voter's card, your international passport, or your driver's license. So both of you will need any of these valid means of identification. The second thing you would need at the registry when registering is your birth certificate or declaration of age. So for both partners, you need to provide this. If you don't have a birth certificate, you can go and apply for a declaration of age, right, and have that document ready. The third thing you need when registering for a civil wedding is passport photographs, of course. I usually recommend that you have about 3 to 4. Oftentimes when you look on the internet, you'd see 2 passport photographs, but there's certain cases where when you get to the registry, they would ask you for 3 or sometimes 4, right? So just have about 3 or 4, right, when you're going to the registry to register. Now, the fourth thing you need is a sworn affidavit of bachelorhood and spinsterhood. This is you saying, I have never been married before. If you know you've been married before, legally in the court, this is not for you, right? This is for you if you've never been married. And this is a legal evidence, right? To get this, it's very easy. It doesn't take more than 2 hours at most. All you need to do is go to a court around you, tell them that you want a sworn affidavit of spinsterhood and bachelorhood, and you're going to get it. If you need guidance with this, you can send us a DM, right, and we're going to put you through and assist you with that. You're going to get it done that same day. So send us a DM and check the description around this video, right, you see the link to our social media platforms. Send us a DM or chat us up on WhatsApp on our official numbers, or send us an email, and you're going to get your sworn affidavit within 24 hours. Not from wedding Padi, from the court actually. So we've partnered with a court to help couples who want to get married have their sworn affidavit done, right? So that's another thing you need. The next thing you need, which some registries ask for while some do not ask for, is your local government certificate or state of origin. To get this, you just need to go to your local government or state of birth and get this done, right? So it's optional in some registry while it's compulsory in another. So it's better you have it done, or make inquiries in your desired registry to be sure that you don't need it. Next thing you need is proof of residency. Also, this is optional, but it's also good that you have it. Any utility bill showing your proof of residency. Then you need your application fee, which is usually about 25,000 naira and above, depends on the registry you are using. Now, if you're doing a special marriage, meaning that one of you is a Nigerian while the other is not a Nigerian citizen, these are the documents you need. You need all of those documents I have mentioned earlier: birth certificate, affidavit of bachelorhood and spinsterhood, valid means of identification, and all the things I mentioned for ordinary marriage. Alongside all of those ones, you also need, number one, the international passport for the non-Nigerian you're getting married to, right? The page for the international passport showing their details. The next thing that will be required, of course, is the birth certificate of your partner showing that they were given birth to in that country, or a sworn affidavit of birth showing that they were given birth to in that country. Now, the fourth thing your partner would need, which is the non-Nigerian, is certificate of no impediment to marriage, which is also called CNI, or freedom to marry letter. This is usually issued by the diasporan partner's country through their embassy or consulate, and it confirms that they are legally single and allowed to marry in your country, and it must be addressed to the Federal Marriage Registry of Nigeria. Another thing your diasporan partner would need is Nigerian immigration stamp or entry visa, just a proof that the diasporan partner is legally available in Nigeria. Planning a civil wedding in Nigeria is actually not as stressful as you think. So we've made a video showing 3-month checklist of how to plan a civil wedding in Nigeria. Check the description of this video to the link to that particular video, right? And if we've not uploaded it yet, don't worry, just click the subscribe button, click the notification bell. When we upload it, you're going to be notified. Go through that video. We've broken it down step by step how to plan a civil wedding in Nigeria. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you watch this video till the end, it means you gained something from this video. So why don't you subscribe to this channel to say thank you, and also to encourage us to make more impactful videos like this. Click the subscribe button right away. Yes, I'm waiting for you. 1 more minute. Yeah, thank you. And also click the notification bell so you get to know when we drop new videos. So you can click the notification bell as well. Also, don't forget to like this video, ask questions. If you have any question about anything I shared, feel free to drop your question and I will personally respond to your question in the comment section. Also, don't forget to share this video with a bride to be or a groom to be in your circle. This might just be an answered prayer for them. So click the share button, share it with them, let them watch this video, and they're going to thank you. Alright, see you in our next video. Don't forget to check out the channel. We have several other impactful videos like this that would help you in your wedding planning process. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.